Welcome back, y'all, to another one. I don't know if I'm gonna change my name yet. Give me some ideas of what I should change my name to. But today's video gonna be I'm installing a cola intake on my car. I'm not gonna show you the steps. I'm gonna leave a link to the person I watched video do it, but I'm gonna show you the before and after. I'm gonna show you the difference in the temperature before the stock intake, and then the aftermarket intake, which I bought a AFE intake. And I'm gonna do a couple pulls in it too, so y'all be able to see that. So if y'all can see that clearly, it's at the intake temperature is at 102. It started out at 89 and it gradually got to 102. I'm about to actually go for a drive and see how high it get, and then I'm gonna switch out the stock intake and put in the AFE intake.
Hello, I'm back.
Stop driving and I got to 132 so far. 134. It's still rising too. So we're gonna put this this new intake in and see what it read now. Update. The intake is on. The exhaust is on. I'm about to do an update on the intake temperature. Just before this, the stock intake. I'm supposed to take this part off. What's up, y'all? Y'all made it this far. As y'all can see, I didn't do an update, so I got a voice over this stuff. So the cold air intake ended up being, after I installed the new one, it ended up being, the temperature was 98, between 98 degrees and 110 degrees. It's like 20 degrees better than the stock intake.